Hey, I'm Eric Randolph, and this is my midterm first problem, which in this case would be problem 3. This is just the first midterm problem that I have to do. So in this one, we're told to write a Python function, 2-quadratic, that takes in two sets of coefficients and x values, and prints the sum of the results of evaluating two quadratic equations. It doesn't do anything else, that is, you should evaluate and print the results of the following equation, and this one. So we're also given a little bit of extra helper code, and it's a function called eval quadratic with 4 parameters of a, b, c, and x, and it returns a times x squared plus b times x plus c. So I know that this is going to be the helper code, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, and I will put it here. I guess we don't really need the comments since I'm commenting over it. So that should be the whole function eval quadratic. So now what I can do is I can make the 2-quadratic function, and I'm gonna have parameters of a1, b1, c1, x1, a2, b2, c2, and x2, just like I said earlier. So now, simply to make this work, I'm just gonna create two variables, answer1 and answer2, and I'm going to set these to eval quadratic, and then the parameters of this would be a1, b1, c1, x1, and then do it again with answer2, eval quadratic with parameters of a2, b2, c2, and then x2, and then simply a new variable answer, and that's just answer1 plus answer2, and then I can say print evaluated value, and it should just be answer because those are the two quadratics evaluated added together, and then I'm going to return answer. So now to actually get the inputs for what a1, b1, and all of that is, I'm just going to do a1 equals int input first value, b1 equals int input second value, c1 equals int input third value, and I'm just going to do this for all of them. So and then once that's done, I can actually call on the two quadratics to actually test this, and parameters of a1, b1, c1, x1, a2, b2, c2, and then x2. So now we can actually test this. Oh, I didn't even put x2 down here. Equals int input second x value. So now we can actually test it. I'm just going to put in ones for everything just to make sure. So the value of that should be, so 1 times 1, so it should be 6. So if we run it, it's taking a little longer than I'd like. So first value 1, second value 1, third 1, x 1, 1, 1, 1. So it should be 6 after I do this. And there it is. So thank you.